handy tool for creating characters. After you install the pack, a new menu appears. Tools, Characters Customization. The tool includes a character preview window. All assets are divided into categories. In each category, you can see the icon of the selected asset, which you can replace with another one from the same category or turn off completely. The randomize button generates a random character made from different asset categories. After that, you can tweak the result manually. Disable parts you don't like or swap them. The last button lets you check a few of your recently generated versions. In the name field, you can give your character a custom name before saving. If you leave it empty, the tool will automatically assign a default name with a number. The Save Prefab button saves your customized character to the prefab folder. The tool also takes into account mutually exclusive assets, ensuring that every generated model looks clean and consistent. Its interface is simple and intuitive, and the results will definitely make you smile.